Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 3b. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in PDF और in handwritten form. अगर आपको ये चाहिए तो आप हमें मैसेज कर सकते हैं 9009368238 पर or you can call also. And now here the question number 3b is Aadarsh arrange the rice grains on each square such that the number of rice grains is equal to the number written on the square. He put one grain on the square marked 1, two grain on the square marked 2 and so on. Babil arranged the rice grains on each square such that the number of rice grains is equal to the square of the number written on the squares. He put one grain on the square marked 1, four grains on the square marked 2 and so on. Charanjeet arranged the rice grains on each square such that the number of rice grains is equal to the cube of the number written on the squares. He put one grain on the square marked 1 and 8 grains on the square marked 2 and so on. Find the ratio of the total number of rice grains arranged on the checkerboard by Aadarsh, Babil and Charanjeet respectively. So if you we have to prepare all the answers accordingly, according to the number, according to the chapters, everything. So if you need an answer of these questions, you can contact us on our WhatsApp. We will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.